Where are you going? Come here. Come on, let's go to the park. Where's the ball? Where? Sit. Shh. April. Sit, baby. Sit. Hey. Sit. No. Sit first. Shh. Aprilyn. Come here. Sit ka. Sit, sit. Sit, sit. Good girl. Hi. I said sit, not lie down. 1, 2, 3. Come here. Shh. Come back here. Shh. Move. You tired now? You want to pull? You want to pull? Hey, where are you? Where's April? Aprilyn! I do have this for breakfast. This is champurrado. It is white rice cooked in hot cocoa, and then I mix it and with brown sugar, and this is how it looks like. I don't like to add some milk because I want it a little bit darker. So yeah, basically it is like this, and it feels like I feel like this is a Christmas kind of festival holiday food for me, especially it's winter already. Is it almost winter? No, it's almost winter, so this is really good for cold weather. And in the background, April is already eating her breakfast too, so I'll be right back and I'm going to eat this breakfast and I will enjoy it.
Many unbearable hours later.
Nicole, come here. So I just took a half bath real quick before I go to bed. Now actually in our other bathroom, and now I'm going to take my prenatal vitamins and brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to bed. I'm going to end my vlog day 2 or my Vlogmas day 2 tonight because I'm too tired and I'm like about to fall asleep once I lie down. So I'm going to edit this and upload it at the same time. See you guys tomorrow on my Vlogmas day 3. So bye.